Savannah Goodman.
Okay.
A fashion designer and personal stylist Davin Blake is here in studio today to discuss how he got started in the fashion industry and his journey thus far. Bridget, good to see you.
Morning, General.
Welcome to Smile. So as I said, how long you doing this thing?
All right, I've been sewing from, I was in high school because I always wanted my pants to be like fitted. Yeah, so that's where it all started.
So who teach you to do that? You just get up and decide, say, oh, so...
Yes, and yeah, technically because my grandaunt is a dressmaker and she had a machine, so I had the privilege of watching her. So I had an idea how to actually do it.
What, you watched her? She never show you, said, Davin, do this, do that?
No.
And you just teach yourself?
That's correct.
I mean, you're a wicked boy still, you know. And when, can you remember the first thing you made? First outfit?
I started off making pants and shirts. That's where I started. Because my mom's cousin had a tailor shop in Savannah, which I hung around, and eventually I started making pants and shirts.
And you get it right the first time?
It took me a day, but I did. I did get it right. I did get it right.
You did get it right?
Yeah. That's a thing where I'm key on details.
Yeah. I noticed what you brought here, only female. So you know, deal with that, and I.
Yeah, I make man clothes as well.
But?
These clothes are more like extraordinary and more standing out. But I made this where I'm wearing.
Nice. Take up this pink one and hold it in your hand and explain that, because I'm confused.
All right. This is a corset ruffle with puffy sleeves. Savannah, I made it for Savannah for our 2020 EP cover. Yes, this is my best work yet.
Best work yet?
Best work.
By the way, if you don't know who named Savannah,
I really love
see her here.
I really love this outfit.
Down the most things that nobody knows them, so. Just don't see her, don't worry. Savannah, come here, Savannah, and just put this in front of you and make me see. So it's what? I still can't figure out how...
It's a corset with puffy sleeves, but it has ruffles and it's pleated, so it's kind of complicated.
Look, complicated is a good word.
Yeah. But I like making things like this.
Are you that?
Yes.
Huh? Nice.
Yes.
All right, Savannah. Yeah.
All right.
Nice. What else you have?
This I made for, this is a suit. I made this for New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve I made this.
For Savannah?
Yeah, with a denim jean, but it's not here as yet because I only brought some of the clothes. I didn't brought everything.
Yeah. But, and then the next one she has on?
Yes.
Explain what she have on.
All right. This is a original leather jacket and brown satin cat suit. I made this for Litfest protege show. Cat suit? Yeah.
Yes.
That not heavy, Savannah?
Oh, you know, say not heavy at all. It's actually very breezy and...
Okay.
Yeah.
By the way, she do have on a mic, so if you're hearing her kind of off mic, I don't know. All right.
Yeah, okay.
Make us see what else.
All right.
Give me the green. Give me the green.
All right then. This I made for her video shoot, Mango. Love you like mango? All right, I made this. All right?
I bet Savannah sing it now.
No, I just want to make a reference.
No,
all right?
I want Savannah sing it instead of you.
Love you like mango.
All right,
that's
it.
That is it.
That is it. Oh, so this is the mango outfit?
This is a mango outfit.
Is that green mango?
Yeah, because eventually everything is green and you turn right. All right?
So you make a ripe mango suit too?
It's pending. It's ripened.
It's ripe.
Yes, it's ripened. It's not fully ripe as yet. All right, so this is a fishtail skirt and a long sleeve top.
Savannah, point to the one that you like best.
I love this one, you know. It's
one
of my favorites because it's from, that music video.
Right.
Fantastic. What else? So everything here is for Savannah?
Everything here is specifically, yeah.
All right.
I mean, we are siblings.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you never tell me that. So you're going like you wicked and you have Savannah under control and it's your sister. Let me see this little tiny one, the red, gold and green mesh thing.
Okay.
Savannah, that can't fit you?
No, it can. It stretches a lot. It stretches a lot.
Very skirt. Oh, me think this is a whole thing, you know. But this worse, this can't fit you, Savannah.
No, it can.
But you don't cover nothing?
It can.
Where you would wear this to?
I wore that for a performance, Rock and Groove.
Leland. All right, she wore this for Rock and Groove performance.
Hold on, man. Savannah, hold
Sorry,
that.
come here, Savannah.
Savannah, that can't fit you.
No, man, it's a skirt and you wear boots with it. Boot that come all the way up the thigh.
I like it. I like see the picture.
We have a picture.
Yeah, we saw
I'll send
it.
them a few.
All right, and this last one now.
All right. This is a Grand Gala dress. We wore this in Coral Gables for the
In Miami.
in Miami
The AFJ care.
AFJ Care.
No, sir.
Yeah,
No boy, see.
yeah. So the
Right.
pieces are very technical and specific.
Oh, see it there? It is on television.
Yes.
Are you that?
Yeah, man.
That's him can go like him wicked, you see.
So he,
No, I am. I am.
so in Cambridge.
All right, someone wants to find you to get you to make some fancy stuff. How they find you?
All right, I'm on Instagram and I'm on TikTok, yeah. But you can find me on Instagram at Thread Designs. So it's THRED, no A's in it.
All right.
So it's TH Red.
Trade_design.
That's correct.
Yeah, man.
That's correct.
Tailored to perfection. I like it.
All right.
Still kind of a little upset saying I bring nothing for me, but I don't know.
All right, I'll make sure you have one of these. All right, these fabric I'm wearing, it doesn't bleed or run. It stays back forever. I'm going to give you one
Make sure.
of the jacket. No, for
Come on, I
sure.
just saw you at the,
For sure.
the Clark's launch.
Oh.
I actually saw you there.
Yes.
Yeah, I actually saw you there. Yeah, I saw you there.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Yeah. Send me to the break with something nice. By the way, fashion designer, personal stylist, Davin Blake. We have swim talents. Oh, but Savannah going to send us to the break with... Sing what's up now?
Oh. Next up, we
No,
have
swing,
Swings Talent.
sing.
Oh, wait.
You know why I talk, sing.
Oh, bravely, them can hear me.
Yeah, them can hear.
I've been on the water. Them I play sometime, love and say, love me, baby. Yeah, remember, it's all about trend designs. Everybody, check him out on Instagram. He's brilliant. Works with any material at any point.
Television.